जी आया ਨੂੰ जी सारा इन कैनेडा ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਹੈ ਉਮੀਦ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਠੀਕ ਹੋਵੋਗੇ ਅੱਜ मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੈ के चली हाँ सुप्रीम कोर्ट 'ਚ अच्छा मेरी जिसने वीडियो पार्लियामेंट वाली हिल वाली नहीं ना देखी है तो वो देख ले कुछ नहीं फ़र्क पड़ेगा बस ये समझ आ जाएगी कि क्या होता है उसमें और क्या होता है इसमें चले फिर भी मैं आपको बता देती हूँ माफ़ किया आप लोगों को ना अच्छा भी जी उसने जी यह होंदा है जे कि ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ फैसला होंदा है कि मीन की करना है सी की नहीं करना है उस पार्लीमेंट हिल ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰੇ मीन ਪੈਂਦੇ ਨੇ ठीक है अगर वो फैसला नहीं हो पाता ना तो वो फिर की करते हैं एस सुप्रीम कोर्ट च लैके आते हैं तो फिर जजेस जो है ना वो इस सुप्रीम कोर्ट में बैठते हैं और वो फैसला फिर जो मेन फैसला होता है ना वो यहाँ पर होता है हम लोग अंदर गए थे कोर्ट में लेकिन उनको वो कह रहे थे कि हमें वीडियो बनाने की इजाज़त नहीं है लेकिन नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं जब वीडियो बनाऊँगी तो कोशिश करूँगी कि आपको कोर्ट भी दिखा सकूँ ना तो चलें फिर इनकी ज़ुबानी इनकी बातें सुनते हैं कोर्ट के बारे में लेकिन ये आपको टूर भी करवा देते हैं अगर आपके पास कोई ना बताने वाला हो तो
For the good reason, from Quebec. This is how it looks on the inside. Antonio Lamar, who was the Chief Justice Judge of the Supreme Court of Canada from 1990 to 2000.
Yeah.
And he the judges at the Supreme Court.
Oh, okay.
Is Your Honorable Brian Dixon, who was the Supreme Court Judge of Canada from 26th of March 1973 to 17th of April 1984, which means roughly he had a 10-year tenure of being a judge for the Supreme Court of Canada. All of these people were influential to the decisions of Canada during that time because Canada was still very young at that time. Allward from 1876 to 1955. He was a sculptor of the statues of Veritas, which is located outside.
Oh, okay.
I'll just read what it says here. So
Yeah.
the Supreme Court consists of 9 judges, which are all here, including Chief of Justice, and at least 5 judges must be present for the hearing of an appeal, but appeals may be heard by a panel of 5 or 7 to 9 judges. The judges are selected through a transparent process in which a non-partisan advisory board recommends candidates of the highest quality to the Prime Minister, which means that all of these people sitting here, they are elected by a board of trusted people.
Oh.
So the court sits in Ottawa, but in 2019, for the first time in its history, it sat on another city, Winnipeg, and in 2022 in Quebec City. The Supreme Court of Canada was first built in Quebec City, and then it was built in in Ontario. So before the Supreme Court of Canada was in Quebec, then it changed to Ontario, Ottawa, because at first they burned down the the Parliament.
Okay.
They burned down the Parliament in Quebec, and because of war, and then they built it here in Ottawa, so that the river protects the buildings.
Wow. So ये क्या judges हैं सारे?
This is currently the judges of right now.
Oh, right now.
Yes.
ये सारे judges हैं अभी के.
Look,
अच्छा.
and this is Mohammed Jamal, the first Muslim judge in the Supreme Court of Canada. So this guy was elected to be the judge of the Supreme Court of Canada in 1905.
Wow.
I'm not sure, is that the chief justice?
Amazing.
They don't do that anymore, they just want to sit in
1903, 1903. Look at this guy.